Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So ang traffic, so naisip ko mag-vlog na lang ako. May napag-isip-isip lang ako. So context, the past several months, medyo addict ako sa Dota. As in, nagpupuyat ako like 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. I know those are weird numbers to like some people, but to me like it affects me na first. Like, syempre sobrang masaya siya and nakaka-addict. But lately, I feel like it's not giving me the best returns in life. Like, yung effort and sorry, wait lang, nagdadrive ako. Yung effort and time, right? So, yun, tas another context, I like exercising in the morning kasi I feel good after. I feel like I have more energy and I guess it's generally healthy. And I don't want to die eh. Like, I'm ever since the pandemic, wait lang. Ever since the pandemic, parang nagkaroon ako ng major anxiety about dying. I realized the value of life. I mean, I didn't want to die before the pandemic, but you get the point. Like, basically, na ano lang siya, like, increase basically yung will to live. So yeah, lately I've been sleeping early. I haven't been playing anymore, and I actually have been waking up early as well. I've been making sure that my body gets the sleep that it needs. Kasi yeah, I just feel different. I feel calmer. Maybe it's like a self-defense mechanism that or like a self-preservation action. Yeah. So, wala lang, habang nag-drive ako, na-realize ko na kaya pala maraming early morning wake-uppers. Like, may book pa nga about it by Robin Sharma, I think, called The 5 a.m. Club. Basically, gising sila maaga and hindi na dapat pala ako naka-signal. And they do all their shit. And yeah, and I feel like I want to keep doing that. Like, I want to keep, like, today, it's a Saturday morning. I woke up and may nag-iya mag-basketball. And normally, I don't really play basketball with people anymore. But I guess medyo naumay na rin ako sa sariling yung shooting lang. I feel like I wanted more challenge or cardio and more fun. I guess it's fun playing. It's like a social activity as well. So social na physical pa. Healthy yarn. Anyway, so yeah, that's my point. I feel like I want this taxi driver in front of me just spit outside. Although it's I understand. Like, I guess it's healthy then for him. Anyway, yeah. So, lesson learned, or like reflected upon. Wake up earlier and get all the things you have to do during the day. Like, lahat ng gusto mong gawin para sa buhay mo, gawin mo na sa umaga. So that, like, pagdating ng work hours, you have more control na. Like, mas masaya na in a sense na nauna mo na sarili mo. So, no worries with, wait, hold up, I'm not sure if I'm in the right lane. Ay na, pwede. Yeah, nauna mo na sarili mo. So, hindi yung gabi na, and you're not revenge procrastinating. As in, before kasi parang, shit ang namin ginawa during the day. Tapos 9 o'clock na, wala na akong nagawa para sa sarili ko. So, nagdodota ako until like 1 a.m. and it's quite unhealthy in a sense na nahihirapan pa ako matulog kasi yung energy levels ko sobrang hyped up pa. And I actually read as well in the book called, I forgot the book, but it's like a Buddhist book thing na it's written by a monk. And it says that you have to chill na lang in the evening. to get your body prepped up for, hold up, mental pause. Yeah, for the next day. So yeah, and I guess pagod na rin ako. Pagod na rin ako maghabol. Hindi yung hugot Pero hugot siya but not in a romantic, heartbroken sense. Hugot siya in a sense na parang lagi na lang ako naghabol, lagi na lang ako pagod. And it shouldn't be that way. Yun lang. Rant ko lang. Rant, vent, reflection. Thanks for watching. Anong sinasabi nila? Like if you like it. Yeah, thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you love it. Ingat! Don't text while driving. Or do shit while driving.